Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have made a handful of cards from the December limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. I had that unboxing just a short time ago, and I thought you might want some ideas as to some card designs that you could put together from the kit. So I'm going to do a quick show and tell just to show you some examples. This first card is on a 4 by 5.5 card base. I started out with a piece of paper from 49 and Market, and I cut this out from the green card page that gave lots of cute little cards that you could cut out. I like this one. I still believe in Santa Claus because I do. So I grabbed that one primarily also because I liked how it had the little stripes, and I thought that went with the background. So to embellish, what I just used is the little Santa and the poinsettia from the laser cut page that they provided. And I just grabbed two of those, which I popped up on foam just to kind of give them a little height. So that is card number 1. Next, I switched to a 5.5 by 5.5 card base. Both layers of paper are from 49 and Market, and I just kept the design super simple and used pieces that were from the laser cut page that they had provided to make this really cute display. The joy came from the Bow Bunny ephemera packet that was included in the kit. And that's it. I just kept it simple. These pieces are glued to this top piece of paper. However, this whole section I elevated with the foam double stick tape just to kind of give it a little bit of lift. But that is card number 2. Our next card is also on a 5.5 by 5.5 card base. And this paper I used was from the Authentique collection. So again, I've got 2 layers, and the second layer is propped up on foam. And for this one, I also propped up my focal point, and this piece came from the Bow Bunny ephemera packet. This card is kind of higher than the rest of the cards I believe that I made because I have propped up both layers, but kept it simple. I only have one focal point, and it's just right in the middle, but I thought that came out really, really cute. So this is card number 3. Card number 4 is also on a 5.5 by 5.5 card base. For this one, I used the Bow Bunny page that they had included in the kit, and this is the front and back of that one page. And for the centerpiece, the focal point, I used, again, another piece that came out of the Bow Bunny ephemera pack, as well as this piece also came from that pack. And it's very similar in format to the prior card. I just kept one big focal point in the center, added a little bit of flourish there, but just kept it simple, and I think it turned out really cute. So that is card number 4. For my last card, I switched to a 5 by 7 card base, and both of these pieces of paper are from 49 and Market. And this was such a gorgeous image that I just didn't think it needed a whole lot. I wanted that to be the main focal point. So all I did was use this little paper lace that came out of the laser cut paper and added the Merry Christmas sentiment, which came from the Bow Bunny ephemera pack. It's one of the nice things about having such beautiful paper. You don't really have to do a lot. The papers are just beautiful themselves, so let them do most of the work for you. There's no need to make it really complicated. A nice simple card can be beautiful and elegant, and it doesn't have to require a whole lot of work on your part. And this is card number 5. So here we go. There are 5 different cards on 3 different sized card bases. If you have this kit and aren't sure where to get started, I hope these ideas will help. I'd love to hear from you. Which is your favorite card? I'll tell you, mine is a toss between this one and this one. I just think that image is just gorgeous. I love the vibrance of the red, and I also like the subtlety of this one. So opposite ends of the spectrum. But I'd love to know which one is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, then give me the thumbs up, and please check out my channel. There are other card making videos. I have to be honest, I don't make a lot of them. Those videos just don't seem to be very popular, so it doesn't seem like many people are too interested. But I know sometimes if you are getting the kit, it can be hard to get started. So I thought this might be helpful, or just looking for some inspiration. But check out my channel. There's a wide variety of different types of videos. And if you do find value in those, then I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes out. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.